This Kool-Aid cotton candy maker machine was a big hit at a recent kid's birthday party. It's definitely something different to entertain the kids with. The box came with these two plastic long cones. They're pretty easy to handle and very lightweight. But with 10 kids at the party, two wasn't going to be enough. So I'm going to show you an easy hack to make sure every kid gets their turn at the cotton candy machine. This is what the machine looks like. We set it on a long buffet table so everyone can gather around it. We've already plugged it in and you can see at the base of the machine there is a power button that lights up red when it's turned on. As soon as it's on, the small round chamber in the center will start spinning very fast and you'll be able to see it start to heat up as the element will turn red. And while you wait for the unit to preheat, you and the kids can debate over two options to make the cotton candy. You can either place two pieces of hard candy inside the small chamber, or you can put a scoop of flossing sugar inside. And before putting the sugar or candy inside the small round chamber, use the power button at the base to turn the machine off to stop the spinning. Then put a scoop of sugar inside the small round chamber. Once powered back on, the element in the middle will start spinning and you'll be able to hear a spinning sound. And then almost immediately, you'll be able to start collecting the cotton candy around the cone they provided. But since we have about 10 kids at the party, we're using chopsticks. And as you can see here, this works perfectly. To properly collect the cotton candy, you'll want to place your cone, or in our case, chopsticks, slightly above the clear round rim in an almost horizontal position. Then start twirling your cone or chopstick so the cotton candy can begin forming around it. When it's fluffy enough, you can start enjoying it while the next person has their turn. If you see the cotton candy strands are no longer forming, simply add more flossing sugar or place a couple of hard candies in the middle. Not only did this machine provide a sweet treat to everyone, it also provided oodles of fun entertainment that even the adults enjoyed. If you know somebody who has a birthday coming up or a special event, this cotton candy machine is lightweight and very portable, so you can actually bring it with you to your next social gathering, or simply give one of these to the next lucky person.